welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Yanni and we're back with another video. If you're tuning in for the first time, you're watching Beauty with Yanni and I am Yanni, of course. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for tuning back in with your girl because you already know. Period. What's up, Beauty Babe gang? So as you can see, I am back with some new hair, y'all. Like, I'm sorry y'all for keep looking at myself because and if my makeup, well, I think my makeup still looks good, but if it look a little, you know, I just got off of work. As you all know, I work in the nightlife as a waitress slash bottle girl, so you know your girl just got off work and a little tired. So for today's video, I decided to show you all how I dyed this beautiful curly hair. This hair I purchased with my own money from Isee Hair company. I've used their hair before, like a couple of years ago, maybe like my freshman year of college, which is probably like 4.5 years ago. And I really love the hair. This is probably the only kinky curly hair that I've used that I can color, and it takes color so well. Like as y'all can see, like I did some beautiful highlights on this beautiful hair and it's giving. Curls are still intact, you know what I'm saying? It's nice and big. By the way, y'all, my hair is kind of big right now because it's already air dried. I did do a wet look for work, kind of like spray with some water, put some foam in there, like Nairobi foam to keep the curls popping, Curl and Style Milk by Shea Moisture, so a whole bunch of other products. So if you are interested in seeing what I use on my curly hair routine, please give me a comment down below and you know your girl will definitely do a hair tutorial for you all. This is like the perfect summer hair, like I love it so much. I really love this hair, y'all, and I want to show you guys how I dye my hair, how I color my extensions to this beautiful blonde highlight type of situation I got going on. So I am wearing the Mongolian Kinky Curly Hair. I have an 18, 20, and a 22-inch bundle. I have my real hair left out, so this is just a traditional middle part sew in. I'm trying to like lay back on the wigs and kind of like let, you know, my little edges breathe or whatever. Your girl trying to let her hair breathe. I'm not trying to do no more wigs, y'all. At least not for 2021. I'm trying to, like, you know, leave my hair out and enjoy my real hair. And like that curl pattern, it matches perfect with my real hair, my natural hair leave out. It matches so good. I really hope you all like this tutorial. This will be my first hair bleaching tutorial on my page. This is typically how I bleach and tone and color my hair. I am not a professional, but I did take some type of training where I did learn how to process my hair. So if you're interested in learning how I did this beautiful highlighted look, then please keep on watching. Alright y'all, so you already know the drill. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel, and also follow me on social media at Yanni on my personal page and at yahniebeauty on my business page on Instagram. If you are not already, please follow your girl. Yeah, let's go ahead and get to this video. I'm gonna just stop talking and let's get into it, y'all. Period. Hey y'all, it's your girl Yanni, of course, and I'm doing a voiceover for today's video. So let's go ahead and get started with some co-washing of the hair. I shampooed and conditioned it with the coconut oil by Organics. And look at these curls, y'all. They look so good, right? Okay, so to get started, I'm using 30 Volume Developer and Loreal's Quick Blue Bleach. And I'm going to put this into a black mixing bowl. And this is going to be our main part of the video, which is the bleaching portion of the video. And this is how you are going to get your hair to change the actual color. So I just put in a little bit of the developer and I just kind of like mix it and add accordingly. I don't put too much in. I kind of wait till it gets to the right consistency. As you can see, I'm stirring and stirring and stirring. And in this clip, I am just showing how I opened out the bundles. So I just double wefted them and then folded it to where it could fit on the foil sheet. And then I'm going to start to apply the bleach onto the bottoms or the ends of the hair. And you want to move kind of quick when you're bleaching hair because this hair can lighten up really fast. And I'm just applying it to the very ends of the hair. Okay, so in this clip, I'm actually going to show you all how I change my hand motion to more so of a vertical motion when applying the product onto the hair. This is going to ensure that your hair does not have that definite line of blonde to brown or blonde to natural black. Like, you don't want it to be like a straight line. You want it to be like seamless. So vertically covering the hair with the bleaching product is going to ensure that you get that effect. So yeah, and I'm just going to do this all throughout the hair.
I've been watching you like the hawk in the sky that fly. You are my prey. Boy, I promise you, if we keep open hands, I know that one of these days we gon' hook it up, probably talk.
Okay, so once you have the product fully applied onto the front, we're going to flip it over onto the back side. That way, this is going to help us ensure that the product has been evenly distributed across the hair or on the hair.
I've been holding back this secret from you. I probably shouldn't tell her. If I let you know, you think I'm good. I'm talking about nobody. Are you responsible? You're gonna get my back. I'm not just getting it right.
Okay, now taking a wide tooth comb, I'm going to go ahead and comb through the hair. This is going to also ensure that the product is evenly distributed and that everything is saturated. You want your hair to be completely saturated evenly with the product when bleaching hair, so that way some spots aren't still natural black or, you know, a different color than the other parts of the strands of the hair.
Say yes or say no, 'cause I need somebody. Tell me somebody. Boy, won't you pick me up in the park right now? Up the block, while everyone sleeps. I'll be waiting there with my dress.
Okay, y'all. So once you've combed through all of the hair, now we're good to go ahead and wash the hair out. And I typically do this once the hair has been sitting in the bleach for maybe about 10 minutes just to get it to this beautiful brown, rich color. Look at those curls, y'all. Those curls look so bomb. And we're not even finished yet, okay? So now that we have the brown color, I'm going to take the Loreal High Color Highlights in the shade Coolest Brown. And I'm going to take the end cap of the tube and I'm going to stick it onto the tube to open the product. And I'm going to squeeze this into a black mixing bowl that I've rinsed out and cleaned from the bleach. And then I'm going to take some developer as well and mix it together.
My looks, my hat, so I'm low key. If you tell the world,
Okay, and here I'm just showing you all that I went ahead and switched out the foil because I accidentally put the hair onto the bleach foil. So I switched out the foil and now I'm going to apply the developer into the mixing bowl and I'm going to take the applicator and apply the product once I mix it and I'm apply it to the bottoms of the hair. I'm just going to put this mixture into the ends of the hair where I had already lifted it to the brown color. And this is just going to ensure that the brown color is long lasting and it's going to be even more vibrant and stand out when it comes to the highlights, especially in like pictures and sunlight. Yeah.
see, I'm trusting you with my heart, my soul. I probably shouldn't let you. If I let this go, you can go.
Just a quick side note, notice that I'm doing the same exact technique as I was when I was bleaching. So be sure what you do on one side that you must do to the other side, okay?
So now that the product is evenly onto the hair, I'm going to let it sit for 10 minutes, and then I'm going to fold the foil this time and let the hair sit for 10 minutes, and then I'll rinse it out and I'll come back. Okay, so this is the hair once it's all rinsed out, and as you can see, it's a bit more chocolatey, rich brown, and this is exactly what I was going for. So now in this clip, I'm going to show you all how I actually start the most exciting part, the highlights. So when I do my highlights, I interlock my index finger and I maneuver it through the hair up and down to where like there's hair on top of my finger and hair on the bottom of my index finger. And this is just me separating it, kind of like doing like a loop-de-loop motion. And this is going to help me separate which pieces I'm going to highlight and which pieces I'm not going to highlight. And I hope you all can see the technique that I'm doing here in the video. And I'm just going to do this and keep doing it all the way into the end of the bundle. And the hair that's going to be at the top is what is going to remain brown. And then the hair that's on the foil is what's going to be bleached and turned into a blonde color. So now that I've separated everything, I'm just applying the bleach right onto the hair. Again, I try to use the vertical motion and just applying it only where I put the brown shade. And it's okay to go up a little bit until where it's more of the natural black shade as well to help kind of give it that faded look. So that's totally fine as well. And you can make it your own, girl. You don't have to do anything just like me. You can make it your own, boo. So don't be afraid to experiment.
I hope you're responsible.
Okay, guys, so once the product is evenly distributed onto the hair, I'm going to take that wide tooth comb again, and I'm going to comb through the hair. And this time, I do not flip the hair over onto the other side, simply because the hair is already in a thin layer. And what I mean by that is that I already separated it from the browns to the pieces that I'm going to highlight. So the bundle wasn't as thick to where I had to flip it on both sides to evenly coat the hair. I was pretty much able to cover the hair pretty well. And now I'm just going to foil it and fold it up and let it sit for about 30 minutes. And then voila, this is what the hair looks like after 30 minutes once it's rinsed. And then I'm just going to go back in again. This is the third time we're bleaching this hair. And I'm going to go back in and redo the same exact technique, just pulling apart those brown pieces only to the top. And I'm going to leave the already highlighted blonde pieces onto the bottom. And then I'm going to re-bleach the blonde strands that I've already lifted.
Say yes or say no. That's already so right. Tell me all that's so right.
Baby girl, I'm the man from the big B. When you come play around my way, and listen to what I gotta say. Tell me, man, but you know I am the man. Rock slow hands, dance to pan. Have people shaking my hand. Baby girl, better known as Ali. Give me the bump and hot beat. Make a play haters, believers.
Okay, y'all, so now it's time to kick it up a notch with some 40 volume developer, and I'm going to apply this into the mixing bowl, and I'm going to apply it onto the hair, and this is going to give me a more of a extreme lift for that pale type of blonde color that I'm looking to get, but still keeping my curl pattern, okay? Because I don't want to lose those curls, and we're trying to keep those curls as much as possible, sis.
Tell somebody.
All right, so now that we already applied the product, I'm just going to foil it up, and we're going to get the finished results in 3, 2, bam, baby. Look at that color. Ooh, it looks so freaking good. But we're not done yet, because y'all see those orange tones, sis? That gots to go. So now I'm taking the Wella T14 toner, and I'm going to apply this into the mixing bowl with 2 parts of 20 volume developer. When they say 2 parts developer, you just pretty much pour the developer into the bottle twice and pour it into the mixing bowl. And then you're going to mix it up, and then you're going to apply it onto the hair. And I'm applying this onto the 18-inch bundle, and then you'll see that I'll do the T15 for the 20-inch bundle, and then I'll do the T18 with the 22-inch bundle. And this is just so I can get different varieties and tones of blonde. I'm putting this all over the hair, y'all. I'm saturating the hair completely, front and back side, and I'm letting it sit, and over time the hair will start to turn purple. So don't get scared. Well, not the hair is turning purple, but the product, the toner, will actually start to change purple, and that's because it's actually taking those orangey tones and things like that out of the bundles. I also forgot to mention that when I do shampoo the hair out in the end with the Shimmer Lights purple shampoo, I also shampooed and conditioned the hair with the OGX, also known as Organics Renewing Moroccan Argan Oil shampoo and conditioner line. I use that, and I also use silicone mix as well to kind of like help the hair bounce back and keep those curls nice and nourished. I also added Moroccan Argan Oil in the end, and some Curl and Style Milk by Shea Moisture. Once everything is all toned out, I'm going to go ahead and take my Shimmer Lights shampoo, which is a purple shampoo, and I'm going to wash the hair and come back with the final look. Y'all, look at this hair. This hair looks so freaking bomb. Like, the color came out amazing. I'm loving the highlights. I'm loving the brown. Like, it's just, it looks really, really good. For me to have bleached that hair so many times, guys, the hair was still very soft, and I'm very, very much so in love. So now I'm going to go ahead and give y'all some model shots, and hope y'all enjoy.
Baby girl, I'm the man from the big B. When you come play around my way, and listen to what I gotta say. Tell me, but you know I am the man. Rock slow hands, dance, after we shake.
If you would like to see a curly hair routine, please leave me a comment in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. And I'll see you all in my next video, y'all. And we out. Whoa.